The clouds are bruising purple in the 2020 sky, while I'm still standing here wondering why the streetlights flicker, a rhythmic lonely beat, watching the puddles swallow up the street. I used to have an umbrella big enough for two, but now the fabric's torn and I'm so through without you. The world is turning gray, washing out the lines of every forever and all our sweet designs. They say the rain is supposed to cleanse the soul, but it's only filling up this empty hollow hole. The thunder is a heartbeat that isn't mine, crossing over into a dark lonely line. It's just me in the solitary rain, trying to drown out the sound of the pain. Every drop hitting the pavement is a tear I can't cry, another cold reminder of a long day goodbye. The water's rising up to my knees, begging the heavens for a moment of ease. But there's no shelter and there's no train, just the endless rhythm of the solitary rain. The windows are fogged in the cafe down the block. I'm watching the hands move on the city clock. I see a couple running, laughing through the storm, keeping each other sheltered, keeping each other warm.